My name is Brent Tesla. I'm Manager of Reliability and Maintenance with Chevron. The 15-liter engine has always been talked about for my whole career. It's always been that golden egg that everybody wins the 15-liter coming out.
The wait is over. The new Cummins X15N is the first of its kind, a 15-liter engine powered by natural gas. It delivers a range of heavy-duty applications. It meets stringent EPA and CARB regulations, all without compromising capability.
This truck, you can definitely feel the horsepower and the pull in the seat as you accelerate.
Chevron offers qualified customers a short-term trial of a heavy-duty CNG truck to experience firsthand the convenience and efficiency of CNG fueling and discover the comparable driving, power, and range of natural gas vehicles to that of diesel vehicles.
All right, let's go take this for a ride so you guys can hear and get a feel for it.
The truck is a Peterbilt 579 day cab, which is a Class 8 tandem axle truck. Chevron acquired 3 of them for its demo program.
Listen to this, how quiet it is in the cab.
Customers get to try the trucks for a couple of weeks to experience the new chapter in CNG and how it could be a solution for their fleet.
To me, it's just exciting to finally have the 15N to market that's for real. It's not the golden egg anymore, it's here.